Chennai office. We have a role status. Role status, reorder level status we maintain in our Chennai office depending on the previous records that we have. We do have some records and we maintain it, but not all the parts we cannot stock, because after that particular year, if that particular part is not utilized, then we may have to discard them. We may have to bear with that loss. So we make sure we get the data from the engineers, and our spare part departments make sure that those stocks are available. The very frequently ordered parts are available. So that's, and delivery within 5 working days. And please make sure, any problem, please make sure that you report to us very quickly. And then order process. Sometimes customer, there is a part failure is there, and they take long time even to send the mail. We tell them if this part is failed, and then even to send the mail because we need a firm order. So they take about 2 to 3 days process time. And finally they say about they need it in the next day. Like it's not possible. So please make sure once the part fails, complete all the formalities that are required so that we will be more effective and your press downtime can be avoided. And we suggest the right part to the right machine. We don't give you for the commercial side, and that's one of the reasons I say that please do not engage freelancers, because they may be from Heidelberg, but the tools and gauges that what they have may not be in collaboration with what we have. So please make sure these things are taken care. And warranty on parts, anything that fails very quickly within the warranty is we do replace it, and that's value for money. Why go for Heidelberg service is we try to match your expectation. We are as fast as we would like to respond to you very fast, and regular technical training of engineers to see our engineers are being sent to Germany, and we have a local training sessions very often, so that our engineers are kept abreast of the latest technical skills. Basically, we do not try and train ourselves in the customer place. Not many of our friends outside. So what they do is they train themselves in the customer side. It's very unfortunate. Basically, they learn from the car and then they keep moving. Like they are not permanent in that place. And then because of that, the risk of your machine is very high. But here, our engineers are not trained in the customer place. Our engineers are trained in Germany or in Heidelberg, India. So equipments are with modern gadgets. Can you all imagine? See, the gadgets, modern gadgets, what I'm trying to say here is, it's a very expensive gadget. See, the tool is very important. Even we do not use a measuring tape. We use a laser gun to measure the dimension of the room. If you ask Prabhakar, he doesn't come with when I joined this company, one day I just called him so I was just thinking he will do it with a measuring tape to measure the room. And suddenly he went in the corner and then he just pressed one button. He just measured that automatically. So it's basically, we use a lot of, we don't use even a measuring tape. See, we have advanced gadgets, basically because wherein we deliver the quality what exactly you require. And also, as I told you, we have a web-based remote service. I do not know how many people know about this web-based remote. If you have the net connection, if you have the modem in your office, you have any software problem or anything, we can share our expert advice for globally. You can just hook it through the net to our office as well as the German, so that any software problem can be anything. It should be, your data has to be completely removed, and then it has to be reloaded and all that. So any problem that's occurring, we can even take the German advice. Our engineers are not able to solve online. We can do this web-based remote service. That our engineers need not come to your site and do this. This saves a lot of time and money. So straight away you can hook onto the system. I will be getting connected to your system straight away through this web-based. You save a lot of time and money on this. These are one of our USPs. And global expert, access to global service portal on technical knowledge sharing and value for money. This is what you can see here, the global, how they share the online. You can straight away do this online. So a lot of presses in Kerala also we have done, and some of the customers were really surprised, and they've given us a good feedback about this. Just a one click away. Gentlemen, Heidelberg's presence in the Kerala market. See, I would first of all thank most of the customers here who are present here, basically because they've really encouraged us. But for you, we wouldn't have a predominant role in this market. Basically, because of you, we are here in this platform now. And I could not fit in most of the entire this one here gamut, because a lot of customers, it will run into pages. So wherever had the digital formats, I have just mentioned some of the names, like 5-Star, Varna, and Sujili. They're all using our names, they're using our products. St. Francis Press, one of the oldest presses I've ever seen. Like they've got even they bought a new machine from us, and Kopara Digital. First, initially they were into digital. They came into this, and SN Press, Divine, Anashwara. So all these presses, like because of you, we are here, and there are some of the in the God's own country. These articles have come in the newspapers and also, so not in the newspapers, printing journals and some of the magazines about your company, the profiles, and the 5-star install Heidelberg PM 2006, I think he installed it. Then Anashwara, steady and successful. These are all that which just came in. I just thought I should take a snap shot of this. Heidelberg Printmaster 74 and Polar 92X. This gentleman bought one more machine, then he replaced with the Heidelberg Polar 90. Initially, he bought in for a very cheaper solution. Then the gentleman almost installed that machine, and then he found that machine was not okay. Then he replaced with our machine. Varna, as you know, so just it is opposite, and he also has not only the entire gamut of Heidelberg products. So this is Kopara. They also have a digital press from us. The first digital press bought from us. And SN Press recently, Alva installed SM52 forklift press. He is also quite happy with this performance. And Divine Printers for their own in-house printing. It's a Christian missionary, and they are also using our products. They also have a CTP and SM74 from us. They also have interfaced with the CTP machines. Several successful installation. I do not know how many machines are there. Still we are counting, and more. It's just coming. And what customers say, I also should mention this because these are all their words. It is not that I have said it. So if you talk about the Sabu 5-star, he is very much here. And when I just met him in 2005, 2006, he had just one dominant and one, if I'm right, one single color dominant on one single color HMT machine. It was beneath the South Bridge. And then he was contemplating for a MOV 4-color machine, second hand. But I said, why do you look at a MOV for second hand? Then I just suggested him a new machine. I'd also facilitate him in buying the PM74 machine. And he's quite happy with it. Later on, he added Supra Setter, then Stahl and Polar, and now the latest CD102 product. What he says about our machine is print quality and production have improved and a lot, and has resulted in improved bottom line. See, that's what I'm saying about. See, he's talking about the print quality and the production. So he still says 80%. I think this man has got a very high ambitions, because we cannot score 100 to him, because still he says 80% I'm able to match, but still we are still working on the 20%. Our engineers are trying to work out on that. Let's see. And here you see a very smart gentleman here, Anup. He is very much present here. See, our customers' demand. Anashwara is always, whenever I really envy at them, from the day one I covered this market, I was entering this market. Every time I go step by, only in the steps, I see a lot of complete awards, Sometimes I used to think, what is this? Every now and then they keep on adding the awards. So basically, it's becoming winning is becoming a habit for them, basically. And not only I'm so happy the Kerala market is able to participate in the international level. We're not talking about the Indian markets. They try to compete with the international market and win awards every time. So they used to call me and tell me, Venkat, I got this award. I'm also so proud. We are also part of it, because they also own a Heidelberg press. What they say is Mr. Venu, Mr. Thomas, and Mr. Matthew all. They work as a team, and then everybody has taken up a different role in their office, and then the quality is in the breath. They just deliver quality, and they say superior performance and after-sales service from Heidelberg. These two are their keywords which they mention. And this gentleman, not many people must be aware of, because this gentleman is an NRI gentleman, the Skopara Enterprise, Mr. Rajiv. He says he started his unit as a typewriting institute. He started with a low-end digital solution, then went in for a Heidelberg GTO 4-color. I was just wondering, what does this man want to GTO 4-color? Then he started GTO. It was very successful. Then he installed a CTP device. Then later he bought our first digital Ricoh machine. It's running very well, extremely well, and it's basically a quick print shop and a very dynamic person. And what he says about Heidelberg is excellent performance, inspired, and it is certainly valuable investment. We are very highly satisfied with our choice. So performance, and you're talking about the valuable investments. That's what the investment security is one area which we really focus on. And as you know, even our resale value is very high. A lot of presses, they install it, and then our resale value, because of that, people prefer our product. To cater the print buyers, this is almost, I'm coming to close to this one. What are your print buyers' demand? Can you just tell me, Rajan, what is the print buyer? What is your demand from the print buyer? Print buyer means your customers. What they want from you? Okay. Anup? What your customer wants? Timely delivery, okay. Sabu? Lowest price. Varna Thomas is here. Cheta? Evada undu pulli? Porthu poya? Not here, okay. Mr. Thomas is there from Photonics. He just left. Fully undavade. So anyhow, see, as Rajan very rightly said, high quality is very highly imperative. When you want to do when you want to do a good quality print, then only you can survive in the market. Otherwise, you'll be out of the market. And most of the points are here. The faster delivery time, especially in Kerala, I've seen a lot of presses. You know, even in Paramara Road, I've seen a lot of press. They are in a hurry. You know, like especially a lot of freelancers. They come and give the print to them, and you can see the complete trucks, the small vans or whatever you call it, jeeps, and they don't even talk to them, just because every customer delivery is a key result area, because that's one thing, unless you deliver it on time, you'll miss the bus. So they are very this is one of the challenges that this Kerala printers are facing. And also to keep pace with technology. Basically, that's why one of the reasons why they invest on this machine is, unless you are the leader, you cannot deliver high quality to your customers. And also they want to be a market leader. Then only you get awards. You don't otherwise get awards. You want to, though competition is vying so closely each other, everybody wants to be a leader in that market. So that's and also one-stop shop. See, most of the customers, they don't want to do one thing here. That's the reason that even Five-Star, a lot of other customers, they would like to completely equip themselves with the entire product portfolio, mainly because they do not want the job to go out. One is for their own security. At the same time, they would like to provide the one-stop shop solution. And at almost, as Sabu said, it is the right price. Price is everywhere. You know, everything they want. They want coating. They want higher surface finishing. They want on a good quality paper. They want to have printed from Heidelberg Press. But everything they want at a very low price. Can you all tell me all these challenges? What is the this one? Can you all tell me? Any one of us, one of you? What's that you should need to address these problems, challenges? Can anybody tell me? So these are all your demand, customer, your print buyer's demand. Sabu, what we should do? Okay. That's a good point. Okay. You mean training, you to train them and then, okay, that's good. Okay. You have to use the right raw material at a very affordable price, okay? Original spare, yes, that's a good point. Anup? Okay. So I'll just show you a slide. So it may not be like any other salesman is talking. So you have to invest in Heidelberg Solution, gentlemen. You are talking about the price, you are talking about the delivery, you are talking about the quality. Invest in Heidelberg Solution. We make impossible into impossible. So if you invest on the right product, right solution, we are there with you, and we are we are doing the direct representation, and your investment security is very high. So we can definitely be a partner for you. We can be a part in your growth. Okay, this is and any questions, gentlemen? This will be my last slide. And any questions on this? Is you can definitely go on for the next meeting. We can also discuss during the dinner time. But any questions you can shoot. Otherwise, I'll end this program. In my presentation, I'll hand over to my colleagues. So any questions? Okay, we can always talk it over during the dinner session. So now I would, Prasad would just take over from here once. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot. We have a small tea break now, and after the tea break, we have a very important session which will Mr. Hari Babu and Mr. Prabhakaran will take over. So, just we will break for a tea.